Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your JBL Quantum 360X. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now click on your headphones at the device list. If you have connected, excellent. If you haven't, we should make a soft reset. So, right here at the right ear cup we have this slider. So, slide down to turn off your headphones, and after that slide up to turn on it. Now, click on your headphones at the device list, and we have again connected, but if you haven't, we should remove and add these headphones. So, firstly, let's turn off it, so slide down, and now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now slide up to turn on your headphones, and after that slide up and hold until this LED light starts flashing blue. Here we go. Now click on it at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!